Hello, hello. It's me again, Renee at 5 Min Makeover. And so you want to splash. What is splash? Splash is liquid lipstick. Raise your hand in the down below if you have used liquid lipstick. Isn't it amazing? But a quick, super quickie tippies before you splash, okay? This stuff is highly pigmented. Highly pigmented. It's creamy. It's moisturizing, and you gotta get your wand naked. So, okay? Look at that wand. That wand is so precise. You want to get your wand naked. Get it super naked, okay? You with me? Are we naked, Jack? Once your wand is naked, it's simple. Put a little and a little. Yeah, I still have remnants of lip stain on. And then with your lip brush or the brushes God gave you, blend. Now, it's hard to talk when I'm cutting on a lipstick. It's liquid, so you gotta wait to eat, drink, and be merry. Ah, don't do that. Don't drink your mama juice, baby. You gotta let it dry. 1 minute is like good. Like the longer the better. My husband always tells me I talk too much. So, you know, like mine, I kind of got to like put a fan on and let it dry. But once it is on, for 90% of us, it's going to stay on. It's going to moisturize your lips. Super creamy, long lasting. Are you ready to splash? Let me know. So excited for you to join me, Renee at 5 Min Makeover, and I will talk to you guys soon.